Welcome to O'Brien Garage Doors. For over 25 years, we've been proudly serving our customers. At O'Brien Garage Doors, it is our #1 priority to make sure that each and every time you push your remote, your garage door opens safely for you and your loved ones.
Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear that. It looks like we actually have an opening in the next hour. He's just finishing up a job, so as soon as he gets done, we can send him right over for you.
At O'Brien Garage Doors, we specialize in installation and repairs of all garage door manufacturers and automatic door openers. So stop by or give us a call today to take advantage of one of the many specials that we offer on garage door service, installation, or tune-up.